Birds come, birds go. Hey, there are 25 birds here. Look up, look up. Some new birds are coming. Let us count them using our cards. 110 card for this whole group and 61 card for this group. So these cards show 16 birds. But where did they all come from? Soon 25 more birds flew in. Let us add to see how many birds in all there are now. For 16 plus 25 we write. Putting all the 1s together we get 11 1s. Of these 10 1s make 110 and we are left with 1. Now putting together all the 10s we get 4 10s. So the total number of birds is 41. How many cranes are and swan? There are 31 cranes and 39 swan. Let us find out how many swan and cranes there are in all. In the same way, we will add the number of swan and cranes. Also try adding without writing. The total number of swans and cranes is. One morning Suraj saw that out of 70 birds, only 26 birds were left. The rest had gone away. How many birds have gone away? Birds have gone away. Suraj, don't be sad. Let us hope they come back next year. Practice time. Rahul scored 23 run in the cricket match and Dhoni scored 69. How many runs did they make in all? They made run in all. Dima sold 48 souls in a fair. Next day he sold 17 more souls. How many souls in all did he sell? Dima sold souls in all. Bunnu, rabbit can eat 29 carrots in 1 week. Munnu, rabbit can eat 42 carrots in 1 week. Who eat more in a week and by how much? Eat more carrot. Neha is 29 years old. Her mother is 58 years old. How many years old is Neha mother's? Mother is years old than Neha. Find the answer. Catch the right bus. Solve to get the bus number to each card. Match the card with the bus number and see who will sit in which bus. Card number 49. Can you solve this? Now you write your own numbers. Make 2 different cards for each bus. Cross me out. Come today we will play cross me out with our teacher. Think of some number between 10 to 50. Write them in the box. Do not repeat a number. Cross out the number you get by adding 27 and 12 plus 2 of 39. Come on, cross out 39. Whoever cross but out all the number first will be the winner. Now you can finish the game, and Rajia, ask your teacher or friend to speak out number to add chakachak toli. Chakachak in Hindi means clean and shining. Chakachak toli is the name of group of children work to clean their park. Shreya collect the money and writes in her diary. Help Shreya to find how much money is left at the end of the month. Diary October 3 collected rupees 60. October 7 brought a broom of 18. October 12 brought a phenyl bottle for 25. October 25 collect for 27 from the card we made. Total money collected, total money spent, money left at the end of October. Children of Chakachak Toli counted the number of trees in the park. 90, 75, 82, 68, 40, 94. Trees were more than trees. How many more? Draw the tree which is least in the number. Draw the tree which is most in the number. Children planted some more trees to make 100. How many more did you plant?